Aisha Gaddafi, Gaddafi's only biological daughter, is an interesting character, but she's a bit of a mixed bag. It turns out that rebels obtained a photo album of Aisha Gaddafi, and they released it to the public. And I didn't know this, but she's known as North Africa's Claudia Schiffer.
Really? Well, let's be the judge of that. Let's take a look. Does she? Oh, nice mixed bags.
You're the worst. Okay, so
that ain't right.
Aisha Gaddafi is actually educated in the West. She has a Western education as a lawyer. So that sounds kind of good, you know, impressive. But here's where the mixed bag comes in. She was part of the defense for the Saddam Hussein trial. She's a goodwill ambassador, which is good. That's great. Right? Except she defends her father, of course, and some shady, sketchy organizations such as the IRA and various other groups with poor records on human rights.
Yeah, I like that euphemism. Like, her father and the IRA killed civilians. That's colloquially what we call terrorists, right? Yeah. And look, I know a lot of people think the IRA had the right objective, but hey, the Palestinians want an independent state. That's the right objective. Doesn't mean you're using the right means to get to that objective, right? But when it's all of a sudden your dad and people like him, like, well, you know, come on, not so bad. So look, I mean, I like that she got an education. I like that she's trying, you know, the looks are, you know, God bless. And apparently the intelligence is good enough to get into the schools, become a lawyer, et cetera, et cetera. I don't even mind her defending the bad guys like Saddam Hussein. Somebody's got to defend him. Gaddafi's daughter is actually a fairly logical choice, right? But in the end, the bottom line is she's Gaddafi's daughter, and Gaddafi was the dictator for 42 years. And of course, she goes to bat for him, which means you go to bat against the people of Libya, who he's been, in some ways, oppressing for the last 42 years. So we can't have it, no matter how much you dyed your hair blonde and had a number of bags.